What's a tiger say, baby? There you go. Good job. What's tiger say? Roar, tiger. What's that tiger say? Good job. Roar, you're a fierce tiger. Are you a fierce tiger? You got your tiger watching your Auburn football? What do tigers say again? Can you tell Mama what tigers say? Good job. Hey, Drew. Oh, you're going to do your Indian chant too? Do your Indian chant. Go. Can you do that? Can you do that? Good job. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.